Hey guys, my name's Abby, and this is my first YouTube video. And basically, I'm a new graduate out of college, and I don't know how to cook, but I'm spending all this money eating food from everywhere, and I'm getting a whole lot of weight from it. So I'm trying to learn to cook, and I've made a few steps. So I figure there are probably other people out there, 20-somethings, in my similar situation. And I guess I'll just make a video about what I do, and hopefully it can help someone out there. All right, guys, let's see if we can do this. Today I'm gonna be making some roasted chicken, and then also some, I guess, roasted chickpeas too, or not chickpeas, just regular snap peas. Yeah, that's about it. So today I'm gonna be cooking some chicken breast roasted. I'm gonna roast it. Well, I'm just gonna bake it. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just gonna put it in the oven. And then I'm gonna put some peas in the oven as well. Actually, I'm gonna do the peas first because they are on a lower heat and they're shorter, so I'm gonna do them first. Let me also just remind you guys, again, I really don't know what I'm doing. I found this recipe online. I'll link it below. Let's see what happens and hope I don't get food poisoning. Okay guys, so I've got the oven preheating to 425 degrees. I put about half of the peas, well, maybe a third of the peas in here. It's just a peas pan, but I put some tin foil over it. I got some olive oil. I'm gonna try, ooh, it's extra virgin. I'm gonna pour over a little bit. I don't know if you're supposed to do that, but I'm gonna do it. And I got some rosemary garlic. So I'll put some of that on there, and then also some black pepper. So I'm just gonna sprinkle each thing on. Well, you can't really sprinkle. I guess you could sprinkle this if you wanted to get your hands dirty, but I'm not gonna do that. Okay, I'm gonna call that enough. I don't really know, but we'll see. Okay, so there's that. Rosemary. By no means do I know what I'm doing, okay? Okay. Some pepper, and I will add some salt too. So I probably put a little too much salt on here. That's, I mean, we'll deal with it. They'll be a little salty, that's okay. Okay, so I've done the same thing with these. I did another little, this is actually a cake tin, but put some tin foil over it, put about half of the peas in it, and then used, again, salt, even though it says pepper, it's salt. Rosemary, black pepper, and extra virgin olive oil. So yeah, I'll pop that one in the oven with the other one. And so, like I said, I'm putting those in the oven at 425 and for about 10 minutes and see what happens, because that's what the recipe said online. So here's hoping. So the peas have just come out of the oven. I have not tasted them yet. I hope they're done. I don't really know. I'm gonna try one. We'll see how it goes. I can't complain. These taste like peas. They don't taste, I mean, they don't taste bad. I'll say that. I don't really like peas, but I'll eat them, you know. Anyways, they don't taste, they taste okay. They're pretty good. Yeah, I mean, yeah. For peas, they're pretty good. While all that is in the oven, I am going to try to deal with this. So I just cooked chicken the other day for the first time, like raw chicken. I'd never done it before. I'm 23, I'd never done it before. Anyways, so I'm just gonna use 2 of these today because I'm gonna use the other 2 in something else. And I will just show you guys how I do it. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna mix the chives, the lemon pepper, and some rosemary garlic all together, and I guess rub the chicken in it or roll it or whatever, you know. I'm just gonna put the chicken in it. What I've just done is pour some olive oil in this little pan and spread it around that way. Hopefully it won't like stick to the foil or anything. We'll see. Okay, so I will say I did this wrong. I think you're supposed to like roll the chicken in it, or like you're supposed to put the chicken in the thing, in the spices, and I didn't do that. I just kind of sprinkled it on top. Hope that's okay. And I also forgot to put on olive oil on it because everything needs olive oil, right? So I forgot to do that. I'm just gonna pour it on over. We'll see. Okay, so I just poured the olive oil on. Again, I know for a fact I did this wrong, just because it just, no, it doesn't look good, and the spices are gonna come off. I'm also gonna add some bay leaves, just each one. I think these are poisonous if you eat them like by themselves and uncooked. So you just use them for seasoning. You put them on while they're cooking, then take them off before you eat them. I know that much. Okay, so I got the bay leaves on there, I got the spices on there, I got the olive oil on there, and I'm gonna pop it in the oven at 400 degrees, and the internet said for 22 to 26 minutes. I'm gonna lean on the safer side and go 26 just because I don't trust my cooking skills, and you shouldn't either. So 26 is safer, that way it kills more bacteria. Anyways, see, I just wanted to show you this chicken. It just came out. I went ahead and cooked it longer than 26 minutes. Like I said, the internet said 22 to 26 minutes. I went for more like 32 because I've never made it before and I just don't feel confident, and I don't have a food thermometer, so I went for 32 because I wanted to be safe that it wouldn't get me salmonella or anything. I'm gonna take off these little leaves because you're not supposed to eat those. It's probably gonna be drier because I did cook it longer, and actually I poured a whole lot of olive oil in there, so maybe it won't be that dry. Who knows? We'll see. So I cut me off a piece here. I'm gonna try it. We'll see how it tastes. Just came out of the oven.
Oh, it's yummy.
It's good.
It's very satisfying.
Oh my gosh. Well, you guys, so chives, garlic, salt, pepper, makes really good. I cooked it for about 32 minutes. Used a whole lot of olive oil so it's not heckin' dry, and it's pretty good. See ya. So I know I probably made that look a lot harder than it really is, but all I did was buy some Kroger snap peas, cover them in spices and oil, stick them in the oven, and then I bought some chicken, covered them in spices and oil, and I stuck them in the oven. And it turned out really well. I mean, it's not a 5-star meal, but it's pretty good. It's pretty good. So there you go. And this is our completed meal. Snap peas and chicken.